Hello my beautiful angels, welcome back to Nails by LJOLUSESI. So we are the 13th of December today. Whoop whoop. Here we are. What do we have today? Stick you there for the time being, my love. We have, oh, this is, here we go, oh, Joe, you're going to love this one. Tree Tinsel, Seasonal Mix. It is strands. Okay, we have some white matte. And then there are some red, gold and green. Don't know how I feel about that one. But I will swatch so we can have a look. How are you all doing? Hope you're okay. Let me know, because I'd like to know how you all are. See, because I'm such a lovely person, I'd like to know. Oh. That will do. Yeah, I'm not really feeling this one, unfortunately. Yeah, it is just a matte white tinsel, and then there's some red, gold and the green. So far, unfortunately, unfortunately, I am not feeling this one. Tree Tinsel. Yeah, I am not feeling you. The colours are lovely, I'm just not feeling that. But it's okay. Right, I am off now, people. Thank you all so much for watching. Shall I zoom you in, maybe? Should have done that to start with. Yeah, there you go. You get a better look. See, compared to the other ones I've had, this one is, I'm just not feeling it. I'm sorry. I do love you, a&aglitter, but this is a no from me, I'm afraid. What do you think? Do you like it? My camera doesn't, because it won't go in focus. Oh well, there always has to be one though, doesn't there? So, yeah. Zoom back out. There we go. Right, I'm off. Thank you all so much for watching. I hit 600 subscribers yesterday. Was it yesterday? Do you know what? I don't even know when it was. But I'm buzzing. So thank you all so much. Thank you to my new subscribers. Hello and welcome. I'm Les. Nice to meet you. If you're new, leave me a comment, introduce yourself, and you know, it'll be nice. To my old subscribers, you know I love you all so much. I'm very grateful for you being in the the beautiful angel family. Right, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Take care. You'll see me tomorrow. Bye.